military trucks, you have military land cruisers and pickups, you have graders and caterpillars, commercial trucks, military pickups, Hilux L200, coasters, we have vans, buses, tractors, and a VIP bus and others, buses. Those are the categories of vehicles that we invented at MSA.
So at MSA, you did not find any luxury vehicles?
This is why I said one VIP bus, one VIP and others, buses, only one. Luxury.
So only one VIP bus?
Only one, yes.
So apart from the VIP bus, you did not see any luxury vehicles in
No.
MSA?
MSA, no.
There was no Mercedes-Benz, was there?
All categories are salon. Most of these are salons.
Okay, so that's another category. You have saloon cars.
Yeah, but they are not VIP because most of them are not even good.
Okay, so the saloon cars you
categorize as salon.
Okay, I see. Were there any SUVs?
SUV, these are the station wagon. SUV.
That's what you refer to as station wagon?
Yeah, station wagon. That's what this SUV.
All right, so give me how many military vehicles were there?
That one is plenty. I cannot put that, I cannot just summarize that between.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. After the MSA, where did you proceed to?
We went to Feature Lake.
But what did you meet at Feature Lake?
Feature Lake, we have invented pickups, both military and others. We invented commercial trucks. We invented buses. We invented salon cars. We invented tractors, which is Mahindra. We invented short Hummer, military land cruisers, and SUV Pajeros. That's what we found at MSA, total of 21 vehicles.
So Feature Lake, 21 vehicles. All right, let's proceed.
Then Jammeh Foundation for Peace, we found a pickup plus 6 salons.
Okay, and then?
Bara Coconut Plantation, we have only a pickup plus 4 tractors, 2 Mahindra and then 2 John Deere. Almost all these 5 vehicles they are all scraps.
Okay.
From there we went to Buffalo.
All right.
Buffalo is only 2 tractors, Mahindra and John Deere.
Okay.
Yeah. And then individuals that I collect vehicles from, it's about 24 of them. We have station wagon, that is SUV. You have salons, you have pickups, coasters, buses, BMW, trucks, commercial. Those are the type of categories. Then from there, Pachar we invented 24 tractors. All is John Deere. 13 good, 11 breakdown. 24
That's
tractors.
at Pachar?
Pachar, yeah. At the rice field.
So what did you get at Pachar?
24 tractors.
24 tractors?
Yeah, all Mahindra.
Okay. And then?
Then OP.
All right.
We have VIP Hover.
How many vehicles at OP?
Hover.
Sorry?
I said we invented OP.
Yes.
We have Hover. VIP Hover. We have buses VIP.
How many vehicles first did you meet at State House? Collected?
Sorry, I didn't also know. Let me check here. OP is 46. OP should be 46.
40?
46.
46. And most of them were, some of them were buses, some of them were saloon cars, and some of them were SUVs.
Some are trucks.
Okay, some were trucks as well.
Commercial and military trucks. Pick up commercial and military trucks. Some are others. And salons.
You said trucks, commercial and military, pickups, commercial and military, saloon cars, and SUVs.
No. Pickup is military and others.
Yes, commercial and military.
No commercial.
No commercial, just military and others.
Only military and others. Yeah.
All right.
And then tricycles.
What about the saloon cars? Did you find any saloon cars there?
We find saloon cars, yeah.
And SUVs as well?
SUVs as well, yeah.
And then you found tricycles?
Tricycles.
How many tricycles?
No, I may not know. But I may not know my head, but I think it should be in the record.
But you recorded it?
We recorded it.
Where did you record it? Do you consider bicycles vehicles?
No, say tricycles. They are tricycles.
Do you consider them vehicles?
No, because they are all invented there. It's tricycles.
The question is whether you consider them as
They are
vehicles.
mechanically in propeller. They are tools.
My question again is, do you
Yes.
consider them as vehicles?
Yes, a tricycle is a vehicle.
So then it will be part of your inventory usually.
Yeah, it should be. No, not my usual inventory. These are vehicles that have been left there. They are not part of my inventory. They are vehicles that have been left there by the home. I don't invent tricycle.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
do you usually consider tricycles
Yeah.
as vehicles?
That's what I'm telling you. I said my assignment was to invent, and this tricycle we have found there. I should
Your
consider.
assignment was to invent vehicles, correct?
Yes. And the tricycle was found there, and the tricycle is mechanically propelled. Then I consider this a vehicle.
So,
Because it's-
you did conclude that it was a vehicle.
It should be a vehicle.
All right. So do you usually record bicycles and tricycles?
No, I
Or the
don't.
government purchases?
Because I found them there.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one was a special assignment. That's why you recorded it.
No, it's not special assignment. It's an assignment to invent. And this tricycle were found at the complex, where at the state house. Then I should take note of them.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough. All right. Is that it?
So far, that's it.
So again, I posed to you this question before the break. How many vehicles did you find at Fajara?
No, I told you, Fajala, the president, when he was going there, there was no vehicle being invented at Fajala.
You maintain that answer?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. If you maintain that answer, we'll come back to that.
Okay.
So once you are done taking all the inventory and the stock of vehicles, what did you do? You did that on Monday the 27th, correct?
No, it cannot be Monday 27 the whole day. No,
Okay.
you have been going and coming.
So how long did the exercise take you?
It takes almost a week or more than that.
A week. And when did you report back?
I report back to the IGP. I can't remember the date that I report back to IGP. But it's all within February. Sorry, between February and March.
And how did you report back to the IGP?
I provide the booklet and send him the copy. I give him the summary, and I have my copy.
All right. One of those documents is an inventory list.
Yeah.
It emanates from your office.
Emanated from the team, not my office. The team that was. It's student
Can I
IGP.
land,
Yeah.
please? One of those documents is a list, an inventory list. The inventory list emanates from your office, correct? And it's actually signed by yourself. And it was signed, please guide us on the date, because I cannot read the handwriting. Look at your inventory list, which would be, he has my original honorable chair. I'm not sure what to refer to the document as.
What do you mean by inventory? Is it the vehicle recovered or?
But it should be VC3. Sorry, VC. VC5 or 4. So Saidy-Bah, there is a document that is highlighted as VC4 that is marked by pencil. VC4. You see it?
I've seen it.
What is it?
Here is the list of vehicles recovered by the Office of the Government.
So it's an inventory list, correct?
Yeah, that one, these are the ones that are recovered.
Yes, please look at the inventory list.
It's with me. I'm looking at it.
You've looked at it, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Was this what you submitted?
This is also part of the list that I have submitted. The one that I recovered from the individual.
When I say submitted, did you submit this to the IGP? Was this the document that you submitted to the IGP?
Yeah, this one of the documents submitted to the IGP.
Okay, guide us. What are those 3 documents? Guide us. What is what?
This one is the documents that I recovered from the individuals. This is the list of the vehicles that have been invented from the places that the former president was.
That is VC5.
No, VC5, yes. And this
Okay.
one was the one attached to the main list of vehicles recovered.
That is VC4A.
VC4A and VC5. These were the ones submitted to the IGP, including the one that has been taken
Seized from individuals.
Yeah.
Now, the one that was seized from individuals, when did those instructions come? Was it a separate set of instructions or?
It's doable instruction. As we are recovering vehicle and taking inventory.
So it came as a subsequent instruction, or was it given to you from the start?
It was given from the start.
So you know what I had asked you to brief us on what the nature of your work was.
Yeah.
You did not mention that you were to seize vehicles from individuals. What you had mentioned was that you were tasked to go to anywhere that the former President Jammeh had occupied.
Yes. It's all part of my responsibility because those vehicles that are seized from the people.
Do you understand the question?
I understand the question.
What is my question?
Your question is, you said whether it's part of my tax
Yes.
to go and seize vehicles from the
Yes.
individual. It's part of my responsibility because vehicles that have been given to individuals to use are government owned.
So hold on. Are we talking about your responsibilities as vehicle controller or your instructions from the IGP that fateful 25th day of February 2017?
This particular one was an instruction from the IGP, the inventory. This particular one is part of my responsibility. The people that I identify that they are government owned and they have been given to other people to use. When I identify them, I call the owners to bring them. These are the lists attached to it.
So this list that is marked VC4, correct?
Yes.
That is not an instruction from the IGP.
It's all part of my instruction. You see,
Mr. Saidy-Bah, we cannot be here spending a lot of time on this issue.
You see,
Please give us clarity. Hold on.
the clarity is on the paper.
Hold on.
Mr. Diba, the clarity comes from the clarity is on the paper.
Can you hold on?
Yes.
I need you to understand the question before you give an answer. What clarity is on the paper? Sure. You should have the clarity.
Okay. Here are the list of vehicles recovered by Office of the Vehicle Control Unit at the Office of the President, and including recovery panelists taxed by the Office of the Inspector General of Police, 27 February 2017, and resigns to other users within the government.
So, who are you writing this to?
This was attached to the list of 368 vehicles. It's all inclusive.
So, is it included in your instructions?
It's included in my instructions.
You see, that's not what you said earlier.
No, but what I said, it's my responsibility to recover vehicles that have been given to people to use and
Yes, you've come back to that. You have said two things.
No, I haven't said two things.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't said two things.
Okay, let's not go back and forth, yes or no. I'm telling you, you have said two things. Now clarify this. The first thing you said is that they are part of instructions given to you by the IGP on the 25th day of February 2017.
Yes.
When I probed into that a bit, you then outlined VC4A and VC5 as being your report to the IGP, and that's the one that identifies 367, correct?
368.
68 vehicles.
Yes.
However, I'm talking about VC.
Yes.
You've mentioned two things. One, that they are part of instructions. In another breath, you say they were not part of instructions. In another breath, you say that they are part of your responsibility as vehicle controller.
Yes.
I want something clear.
Yes.
VC4.
Yes.
What warranted you to do VC4? Is it because it was part of the instructions given to you on the 25th of February 2017 or not?
It's part of the instructions given, because if to go and invent vehicles being used and being left by the former president at the particular areas, these vehicles that I have recovered are part of vehicles that have been used by the former president and been assigned to other people to use. Then if I go to other places and they are not found there, and I have seen people driving them and I know that they are part of those vehicles being used by the former president, it's my responsibility to make sure that let me call them back. And that's what I did. This is why this list was attached to the recovery list, so the invented list, to make it a round figure of 368 vehicles.
All right, so now, one thing is clear that you reported back to the IGP all these three documents. Two documents relating to one activity, this other document relating to another activity. Now, you've reported back to the IGP. What I want to know is, did the IGP himself tell you that if there is a document in the, a vehicle rather, in the possession of somebody else, and it's not stationed at the designated places that we have assigned you to go, seize it?
It's part of my responsibility.
That's not my question.
It's part of my responsibility. This is why I included it on the report.
That's not my question. My question is, was it the IGP who instructed you? No, hold on, Mr. Saidy-Bah. Let's listen to it carefully. Of course, all of this is part of your responsibilities. You are the vehicle controller. Any vehicle that is a government vehicle is under your domain. That's not what I'm asking. What I am asking is, were you instructed by the IGP to get...
And recovery being instructed on the 25th with my team.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
yes.
Were you instructed?
I was instructed
by the IGP.
By the IGP.
To seize vehicles which are outside the designated places, correct?
Outside the designated places.
That is Kanilai, Pachal, MSA vehicles that are in the possession of other people.
Other people, yes.
That was the instruction.
That instruction.
And then, because of that instruction, you reported back.
I reported back, yes.
Okay, great. Now, let's go to VC4.
The first item on the list is Nissan Patrol. It's V8. Nissan Patrol, V8.
Okay. So it's a Nissan Patrol.
V8.
It has a V8 engine.
Yeah, it's a V8 engine.
It's
Patrol.
black.
Black, yes.
So, who was this recovered from?
It was recovered from General Suleiman Baji.
Who was it assigned to?
It was assigned to Rami Cham, the presidential aide.
And the remarks?
The remark is Fajara.
What does that remark mean?
It means that Rami Cham was in Fajara. When the president was in Fajara, the vehicle was assigned to Rami Cham in Fajara.
Okay. In his Sukuta residence?
Sukuta, yes.
Okay. So, but then the car was assigned to...
Rami Cham, presidential aide.
In Fajara?
In Fajara, yes.
All right, let's read number 3.
Number 3 is a Pajero.
Sorry?
Number 3 is a Pajero.
5?
Yes.
Sorry, 3 is Pajero Mitsubishi, right?
Yes.
And who was it assigned to?
It was Honorable Buba I Sane, by coalition member then.
All right, and who was it recovered from?
It was recovered from a driver called Abubakar Toure from Busumbala.
So where was it recovered from?
Busumbala.
Busumbala.
Abubakar Toure. He's a driver living in Busumbala.
Okay. The next one?
The next one is APRC 00, APRC 20. Mitsubishi L200.
Okay.
It was recovered from Captain Corps.
Okay.
And it was given to SIS.
It was given to SIS?
Yeah.
Under whose instructions? The IGP?
No. When these people were recovered and the report was sent to IGP, these people were at the office of the president.
All right. So it was assigned to SIS?
It was assigned to SIS. And still,
however, you seized it from GFA?
No. I said it's from Captain Corps.
Yes, from GFA.
GAF.
GAF.
Yeah, GAF.
GAF. Well,
Yeah.
My apologies.
Okay.
The next one?
The next one is APRC 30.
Yes.
In Nissan hard body. It was recovered from Matar Jai.
Yes.
It's living in Wellingara.
And the remarks?
The remark is presidential convoy. We use it in the convoy.
What does that remarks
Then the president was in Fajara.
The what?
Then the president was in Fajara.
The president was in Fajara.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the current president or the former president?
No, the present president.
Okay. The present president.
Yeah, the one
Even
sitting,
my tongue is twisting to that.
the one sitting now.
Okay, the one sitting down now.
Yeah,
I see.
not the former.
All right. What about 8? Look at 8.
8 is here. Is Mitsubishi Pajero from Buba Demba, former CPO, former keeper protocol, Buba.
Yes.
Yeah. It was assigned to Booth Party. He was in Pajara president office.
Out the same way you've been reading out.
Okay, 16 is GG0068. It was from the former ADC to the vice president.
Okay.
And it is assigned to UDC, a protocol assigned.
Right. Now you see in all of these columns, you have the list, the vehicle number, the mark, who it was recovered from,
Yeah.
who it's assigned to, and the remarks. Now, recovered from is at the time you were getting it, who it was recovered from, correct?
Yeah.
Who it's assigned to. Explain the column assigned to user.
What do you mean assigned to user?
There's a column there, the second to last column. Read it.
Yeah, that's the assigned to the user. Yeah.
What does it say?
Assigned to the user. The one the vehicle was recovered and the present one the vehicle was assigned to.
Assigned to user now is the present user.
Yes.
Who assigned?
It's the Secretary General who assigned.
So let me ask, during this activity,
Yeah.
you recovered these vehicles and they were immediately assigned. Is that the case?
These people were recovered. These people were
Go ahead.
These people were recovered and they were brought to OP. They were assigned to the then Secretary General. They were assigned to then the Secretary General, Dauda Pereira. Then the president was in Pajara. It's a coalition government then. Most of the people, they don't have a vehicle at the time. Then they said, okay, provide these vehicles to so-and-so, and then they'll give me instructions. Provide this to this, provide this to this, provide this to this, provide this to this.
Do you remember what month that was done in?
Between March, it should be around March.
March is when all the assignments were made.
No, not some of them. So maybe major assignment.
Major assignments.
Maybe minister. And others might be assigned, but the other coalition members, there are people that are part of the coalition and they are not assigned.
Okay. So, essentially, vehicles were literally taken from personnel who formed part of the old regime and were handed to people that were incoming in the new regime. Is that basically what you're saying?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
All right. And were all of these government vehicles?
All the ones that I have invented, they are all government.
They're all government vehicles?
Yeah.
All right. In your testimony, before today, we had started discussing the 33 vehicles that were marked APRC.
Yes.
Were those government vehicles?
Yeah, government. Government bought them.
Yes, but when I asked you whether they were government vehicles, you mentioned that they were not brought to your attention. You just knew about them later. So how can you conclude that they were government vehicles?
What I told you, the inventory was in February, and these people have been assigned in mid-March. Then automatically they are government owned. After when I was assigned to verify,
before February 2017, these vehicles were in government custody, correct?
Yeah, we are in government custody.
And the government, the old administration decided to give them out to different units, some to the police, some to the other forces, but they were all registered as APRC and given designated numbers, correct?
No, it's not this present government that give these vehicles to.
I understand. I said the old regime.
The old regime
gave it to security forces,
correct.
But they were all registered as APRC. 1 to whatever.
33. It's only few out of the 33 that we are recovered and give it to, and I tell them to fire. Then there was no vehicle there.
My question is, at the time I was asking you this question, you maintained that they were not government vehicles. So what eventually made them government vehicles?
Then I was assigned to go and invent them. When the ticket motors went to them, the Secretary General and the Minister of Finance complaining that the former president took 33 vehicles. I was assigned to go and invent. That during the inventory, that was the time that I realized that most of these vehicles have been assigned to the security forces. And we went foot to foot to all the security forces where these vehicles have been assigned, and they were all invented. I report back to the minister, I report back to Secretary General.
But before then, they were not part of your inventory?
No, they were not, because they were APRC 1 to 33.
So they were not government vehicles before instructions?
Before instruction. No, I was not able to know whether they are government owned or not, unless when I was assigned. After when I
you were not able to know?
I was not.
So that means, the question can only have a yes or a no.
Yeah.
They were either government vehicles or not. And you gave me your reasons.
No, you said at the time. I said no, at the time I did not know.
So they were not government vehicles?
At the time, they were not.
They were not under your radar?
No, they are not.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So before we move from this list, does this list have any government vehicles? Say that again.
I said all these vehicles that are listed here, to me, I assume that they are all government.
Okay. Including the 33?
Including the 33.
What makes the 33 government?
After my inventory exercise.
So if for you, you maintain that if your superior asks you to take an inventory, and you take that inventory, it must be government vehicles.
Yeah, but there are documents that I provide to you to justify that they are government owned, both on the invoices and then the delivery.
But then that should be your answer then. Not to me, they are government. When you asked a simple question, give us a simple answer. Is it because it was government coffers that purchased these vehicles that you are saying that they are government owned? Then we proceed.
Yeah, but that was said to you last week.
But I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, but it was answered last week.
I'm asking you today.
Okay, then they are government owned. They are government owned because the invoices and then the delivery note shows that they are government owned.
Brilliant. Yeah. Now we can make progress.
Okay.
I agree with you.
Okay.
What about the Rolls Royces? Those 5 Rolls Royces?
Yeah.
Were they government owned?
At this point in time, I cannot justify they are government owned, but we have been using them before the impasse, as official.
But you, as the government vehicle controller, never recorded them as government?
No, because they have never been brought to my attention to record them as government.
So you have to be told to do your job then?
I have to be told to do my job.
So you cannot, you are not a technician.
To Jammeh? No, I cannot be a technician to Jammeh. I should be assigned to do it. If I'm not assigned to do it, how can I just go and take inventory and say I want to put them in government?
You are given a lot of autonomy as vehicle controller, aren't you? You know what autonomy is?
No, I don't know what it
Right.
is.
Autonomy means you are given a lot of independence.
I can be independent, but not to Jammeh. And
All right, so you're making the point that the former regime was a brutal regime.
no, I'm not saying that it's
I need to hear what you were saying clearly.
No, I cannot say that it's brutal regime. All what I know is, if I am assigned to do 1, 2, 3, 4, I do 1, 2, 3, 4 and report back to who assigned me to. But if I have not been assigned to do anything, I cannot do it because I'm not being assigned to do it.
So if you're not assigned to take inventory, and one morning in traffic you see a vehicle that passes and it's a government vehicle, but you don't recognize it, will you need to be told to invent that vehicle, or rather to put that vehicle in the inventory?
I don't get your question. You say what?
My question is a scenario. You said you are not assigned, that's why you did not do it.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to make the point that your office is quite an independent office.
Yeah.
And to underscore that point, I have brought the scenario that if you were in traffic one day and a vehicle passed, let's say we have another Rolls Royce, since you like Rolls Royce so much, and the Rolls Royce has GG. Do you need to be instructed to follow that GG or trace that GG and record the GG? Do you need to be instructed?
Are you talking before or you are talking now?
Please give us context of before and after.
No, before, it's only 5 Rolls Royce that we have. And now, I'm not seeing any Rolls Royce being applied in our slip. Then it will be difficult for me to go and stop a vehicle with GG Rolls Royce number. We have only 5 Rolls Royce.
Saidy-Bah,
Yeah.
I don't know whether you know what an example is. I'm not saying that there were 6 Rolls Royces. I'm giving you an example. I said, and please, I'm begging you this time, just listen to me.
Okay.
Thank you. I said, imagine, I know you like Rolls Royce very much, you, Mr. Saidy-Bah, correct? You like the car, Rolls Royce?
No, I don't like
You
it.
don't like it?
No.
Sorry. Do you like Range Rovers?
No, I don't like
Which car do you like?
it. I only like a pickup.
You like pickup? No, okay, good. If a pickup, you are in traffic one day, and a pickup passes you by, and that pickup has GG, but it's not a GG that is in your system. Wouldn't you be prompted to follow that out of your own initiative, to record that, to make sure it's properly documented?
You see, if I come across with a GG pickup, that I feel that this GG is not in my system, whether I will stop that particular vehicle or not. I've never come across that type of situation.
It's called an example for a reason.
No, I have never come across with that.
But if you do come across that, what will happen?
No, wait until if I come across to that type of situation. I do my professionalism on that.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
the question
Yes.
is posed to you so that we can gauge what steps you are to take in such an instance.
No, but before I take an instance, there must be an occurrence and I do what I'm supposed to do.
Say that again?
There must be that type of occurrences before I come to do
Type
that.
of what?
You said when a vehicle pass, and I feel that it's not the government vehicle, GA.
Yes.
I said I'll wait up to that. When that happens, I'll do my work.
And what will be your work?
I'll verify.
You verify?
Yes.
How will you verify?
I'll stop and check.
You will stop the vehicle
Yeah.
and stop and take it,
Check, yeah.
right?
Yeah, and check the person found driving that.
And check the person, correct?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Now, the Rolls Royces, Were they government vehicles at the time?
And they're not able to establish whether they are government owned or they are not government owned. But we have been using.
Why wouldn't you be able to establish? You are the government vehicle controller.
I will not able to because why when they came, I was not being informed. I just see them how other people see them at the presently. Then I will not able to establish.
Where was your initiative? That initiative that will warrant you to stop the pickup holder. Where was it when you were seeing these vehicles at State House?
Saidy-Bah. When at the time when Yahya Jammeh bring a vehicle here, I will go to them and said, we have to get this vehicle. Are you going to? I'll do that.
I'm asking.
I will not do that because it will not be put to my attention.
Yes, but the pickup that you found in traffic was also not put in your attention.
No, the pickup is very different. Pickup, it could be bought by government, but this vehicle, I don't know whether it's bought by government or it's bought by him. I'm not able to establish that.
And as vehicle controller, wouldn't that be your job to distinguish between, to ascertain that a vehicle is government owned or not? Because it was being used by government, correct?
To whom should I go and ask the president?
The appropriate authorities.
He's the only appropriate person that I should go and ask because he's the one who brought it.
He drove it himself and brought it to State House.
It was brought by drivers.
It was brought by drivers.
And he came down and inspected them and said, okay, put them in the hangar.
And then?
Yeah, that's all.
You did not ask questions?
I did not ask questions. Why should I ask questions?
Because you're a vehicle controller, that's why you should
I have
ask questions.
I have a limit when it comes to vehicle control. Yes,
what's your limit?
My limit is government, government.
Yes.
Brought to my attention.
So, but you don't know. But okay, Mr. Saidy-Bah,
yes.
you keep saying brought to my attention.
Yes.
Is it only vehicles that are brought to your attention that are within your control?
At the time, yes.
Okay, so your job description at the time and your job description now, they have changed.
They have changed because we have the presidency, we have the state guard that are mainly responsible for the president's asset. They are in control
of the state.
The state guard. The state guard.
We didn't get that statement. What are they in control of?
They are in control of Jammeh's properties and his assets.
At the time?
At the time.
So the vehicle controller was not documenting any of the vehicles purchased by the president?
No. Unless if it is put to me, I will.
So if it's not put to you, you just mind your own business?
No, I mind my own business.
Okay. All right. Those are the Rolls Royces. But the Rolls Royces were found in Kanilai, correct?
Yes.
They were not part of that list that you said would... they were not part of the list that you recovered from other people, correct?
Rolls Royces are part of the vehicle that I recover because I bring them from...
But you recovered them from Kanilai?
Yes.
I believe Kanilai was your first destination.
Yes, I brought them back to Stella because I feel it's not safe there. They were only the most expensive vehicle in Kanilai at the time. Then
okay.
I feel to bring them at the state house so that they can be very safe there. This is why we bring them and park them at the presidency.
My worry is why you documented it here.
Yeah.
Why is it documented as part of VC4?
It's part of vehicle that we are recovered.
Are all vehicles that were recovered part of this list?
No.
So why? What made the Rolls Royce special?
Yeah, because I brought them 5 out of Kanilai and bring them and park them at the presidency, so that I include them in the list. Then all the other vehicles are parked in Kanilai. No vehicle were moved. It's only the 5 Rolls Royce that we have moved from Kanilai and bring them to Stella.
What about the buses in Sindola?
The buses in Sindola?
Yes.
Yes, buses in Sindola, they were parked there until I get instruction from the Secretary General to move them and so that the convoy can use them. And the security can
When did you get instructions?
It was around March.
So around March is when you took them from State House,
No,
from Sindola,
and
brought them to State House.
Yeah.
When did you prepare this document?
This was in June.
Sorry?
The final list was, I signed it in June.
You signed this in June?
In June, yes.
Okay, June of 2017.
2017, yes.
At the time, the commission had already commenced.
Yeah, I believe so.
You believe?
I don't know when the commission began.
Hmm?
I said, I believe so.
Was this list made after you had gone with the commission or before?
No, this list was the first list that I prepared before the commission.
So it was before the commission?
It was before
All right, let's go to the other two lists, which were also made simultaneously, correct?
Okay.
Not okay then.
Which one?
That's a question.
Which one?
Yes.
Okay.
You made that together at the same time that you made this list, correct?
Yeah. And I was finalizing this. At the same time, I signed this document.
Good.
Yes.
Now take us through the other one. It's a bulky document, so I don't want you to take us through everything,
Okay.
but just the main parts that you want to bring to attention. And you can show us, for me, my favorite car is the Rolls Royce. So you can show us the Rolls Royce, and then you can show us your own favorite car, maybe one or two pickups.
Okay.
Yes, you want to put us through?
No, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, you didn't hear the question?
You said,
I said you should take us through that document. You show us some of the vehicles, and I even remarked to joke to say you can show us the Rolls Royce because that is my favorite, and then you can show us the pickups because that is your favorite. But disregard my joke. Please just take us through some of the vehicles.
Okay.
But before you do,
Yeah.
can you read? Let's go back to VC4.
you see,
4. Read item 89 and 81.
it is 4A, 4,
4.
80,
89.
yes, it's here.
What car is it?
It's Pajero Sport.
Pajero Sport.
Yeah.
And then who was it seized from?
It was taken from Mr. Alaji Modu Saint, KMC.
And who was it given to?
It was given to the recovery, it was given to the Minister of Justice, those one that were responsible for animals and other issues at the Minister of Justice. It was assigned to Ali Jallo, Minister of Justice, High Court Recovery.
Okay, so you had issued
To Minister of
a
Justice.
vehicle to Mr. Jallo.
Yeah, not Mr. Jallo directly, but the Minister of Justice. He was
Yes,
the one.
but he was the one responsible
Yes,
for
yes,
it.
yes,
Okay.
at the time, yes.
All right. But let's go to 91.
91, yeah.
Read it.
Yeah. It's a pickup.
Mm-hmm.
No, these were the two goods that we want to allocate. But when I realized that this vehicle has a breakdown, then I did not give it to him again. And this is why I said the vehicle has a breakdown, and it was not, because it was not even a very good vehicle. It was a pickup, very bad pickup. But after I handed over to NDMA, Drugs Law and Enforcement Agency, I was assigned to give it to them.
What about the next one?
The next one is 92. Oh no, it's a duplicate. It's a duplicate to 89.
But what about the number plates? The number plates are different.
What do you mean by the number plate?
How is it a duplicate? Please explain why it is a duplicate. Because when you go to the description of the vehicle, it's a different description. The number plate is different. The person that you seized it from, the persons that you seized it from are different.
No, it's different. No, check. It's Mustafa said KM 92. It's the same vehicle. That's no different. It's Mustafa said KMC. That's no different.
Let's go step by step. The first, the description. One is Mitsubishi. The other 4x4. The other one is Mitsubishi Sport.
Pajero Sport.
It doesn't say Pajero Sport. It says Mitsubishi Sport.
This is Pajero 4. It's Pajero 4x4.
Where are you reading Pajero from? Because I'm not reading any
92.
Pajero. We're looking
48,
at
48 can be.
Sorry?
I not at 92.
92 and
89.
yes. So what does 89 say?
89 is Mitsubishi Sport.
And then 92?
Sport. 92 is Mitsubishi 4x4. It's the same.
So where is the Pajero there?
It's Mitsubishi 4x4.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the salon. It's SUV.
All right.
It's the same.
Okay, the descriptions are different.
No, they are the same.
One is Mitsubishi 4x4, one is Mitsubishi Sport.
They are all SUV.
They are all, I understand that,
Yeah.
but your descriptions here are different.
No, it's the same description. Just check the number plate.
Okay, fine. Let's go and check the number plate, Mr. Saidy-Bah. What is the number plate for 89?
It's GG0083.
What is the number plate for 92?
It's KM81, KM8048.
So are those the same?
Yes, and then after, before we gave it to Jallo, it was registered at GG0083. Because he cannot use it with this number to go and record, to go and do his work. This is why the vehicle has to be registered and give it to him.
So it was re-registered?
Yeah, it was registered. To protect him.
To protect him?
Yeah, because at the time. Because if you park that particular vehicle at a particular place,
yes, go on.
if you park that, for instance, you park that vehicle at a particular place, and then some of the people might know that hey, this vehicle was belong to our very good person and it has been recovered from. They can do whatever. This is why we have to protect it, because you also engage in another recovery. This is why this particular vehicle was given to Minister of Justice.
Okay. So the government then changed the number plates.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happens to the number plate once you change them? Does it become dormant? Do you reassign it? Or
No, we pack it.
you pack it? Yeah. You don't reassign it?
No, we don't.
So if the committee searches for GG0083B,
Yeah.
we will not find it.
Which one? No, this is
89.
83, 89.
Mm.
Which 89 is that? No, the number is 89, but GG00 is 83B.
What are you talking to yourself, Mr.?
No, I'm talking to you.
What I'm saying is,
Yeah.
number 89,
Yeah,
the number plate is GG0083B, correct?
correct, yes.
If the committee searches for this number plate, are you telling the committee that you will not find any vehicle bearing this number plate?
Presently. No.
But we will find one that has KM4810B.
No, you not.
Why not?
Because this one is moved to GG0083. Then you cannot find that one.
So which one will we find?
No, presently I may not know, because this vehicle is being assigned to Minister of Justice. And it was since 2017. Then I may not be
So since it was assigned to Mr. Jallo,
Yeah,
or rather to MOJ through Mr. Jallo,
yeah.
it has not been brought back.
No.
So then the number plate should be KM83, A48, whatever, right?
So it cannot be.
It will be what?
It will be GG0083.
It will be GG0083,
It was given to Minister of Justice.
which you said
Right.
the same when I asked if the committee are to search for this number plate, would we find this vehicle? You said no.
You see, when the vehicle was being recovered from Mr. Sen, it was KM. But when I was directed by then the secretary and said, okay, provide a number plate and give it to Minister of Justice for their recovery team. For that KM was moved and the GG was registered GG0083 and it was handed over to Minister of Justice, Mr. Jallo, for their recovery.
Okay, so initially it was KM, not GG.
It was KM.
Okay, we need to be on the same wavelength, because what was communicated to me, and God knows what the committee members had understood. But what I had understood is that it was GG, and then you turned it into KM.
No, it was not. What I think
it was KM.
It was KM.
And it was seized as KM.
KM.
And who was it seized from?
Mr. Mustafa Sen, KMC.
Who?
Alhaji Mustafa Sen, KMC.
All right. Is that the same as Alhaji Momodu Sen?
It is
It's the same person.
Yeah.
All right. So they're essentially recovered from the same person.
Same person.
It was recovered when it was KM. It had a KM number plate.
It's 4810.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the government controller then gave a government of the Gambia number plate.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go back to you see, Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yeah.
the committee is a committee of facts.
Yeah.
And what the committee is trying to ascertain are all the facts, so that we can bring all those facts together
Okay.
and have a good understanding of what occurred. Now, I want you to give us your testimony as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
It has just been brought to my attention that indeed what I heard you say was what you said. You said that it was recovered as a GG vehicle, and then it was given a KM number plate to safeguard the sanctity of what was about to ensue, so that you can protect the office holder, who was Mr. Jallo, the head of the recovery team.
Okay.
That's what I heard you say. But then later on you came back and circled back on the issue and said it was rather seized when it was a KM vehicle. And then you turned it into a GG vehicle. Please reconcile these two things. Give us, don't be too eager. I would prefer that you listen to the questions. Give us a clear rundown of how it transpired.
Okay, you have the document with you.
Yes, I do.
Okay, 89.
Yes.
Okay, then you see, I put an arrow and put 92.
Yes.
Okay, that 92 shows you that this 89 is 92. Check the document which is with you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's indicated that the arrow is pointing down that.
Your mic. Speak into the mic.
The arrow is pointing down that 92 is, this is why I circled 89. It was,
so that you can
it was a duplicate.
Yes.
Good. But this is why I refer this 92 and put it next to 89.
That's fine. That's clear now. You have clarified that.
That shows you that this vehicle was KM 48P, and after we put GG0083 and assigned it to Jallo.
Okay, I disagree. It doesn't show you that.
Yeah.
But you can tell us and we will take your word.
Yeah.
Which one was it?
It was KM 4810, and after we put the GG0083 and give it to
that's the position, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Fine. Let's move on. Let's go to the document. Yes, take us through the document.
We have Rolls Royce.
Okay.
We have pickup.
Yes. What would you... All right, let's go. Let's go.
We have pickups. This one is Mercedes-Benz. This one is Ford.
So some of them, but before I go to the one I want to refer you to, the Rolls Royce, they were in good condition, right?
Yes, they were in good condition at the time.
At the time, and the keys were available?
The keys were available, yes.
And where are they now?
Presently?
Yes. You took inventory of them, correct?
Yes.
Automatically putting them on your radar. So where are they now?
Yeah, that one is it's a cabinet shop. And it's in the PR file.
Is it a confidential thing?
Yeah, it's in the PR file.
Okay.
I think the PS, sorry, the Secretary General not will be able to answer that question.
I'm pretty sure he will, but I'm sure you also will be able to answer that question. Is it a confidential answer that you're about to give us? Because we will need to apply our protocols once you are.
I think I give you the information regarding to the research.
Right. What we will do is.
They are all documented here. And
Sorry?
I believe they are all documented here, and I believe your investigations have given you the copy of those vehicles, the Rolls Royce. Yes.
Okay, so what I want you to do, the Secretariat will pass you a paper.
Come again?
The Secretariat will give you a paper.
Okay.
Write down the location of the Rolls Royces.
Okay.
It's about keys.
The whereabouts of the luxury Rolls Royces.
Anyway, we will get to know that.
Okay, that's it. Sorry. Okay. No, that one. Just only one word. No, I'm not saying, I'm not talking about that one. Give me a fresh one. Yeah, I just left it only.
Honorable Chair, I am proposing that we take a 5 to 10 minute break, within which time we also would like to have a brief, could then proceed.
Very well, that's okay. It's 3:30. We come back 3:35. Oh, 4:30. 4:35, just a short one.
So, just
we have overruled that. We want you as a witness to tell us what you know about it. That's all. Thank you. Yes, Sid.
right, Mr. Saidy-Bah, I'll repeat the question again. The Rolls Royces, where are they located now, and what's their status?
Okay, just give me a second.
Sorry?
I said, just give me a second.
That's fine.
Oh, that's right. Casually, Council, regarding to the Rolls-Royce, there were 2 letters attached to these documents concerning about the Rolls-Royce. The other one was signed by the former Secretary General Noah Toure, and the other ones were signed by Antonio Assar for Secretary General.
Are the letters, have you seen the letters?
No, I haven't seen them, but I tagged them here.
All right.
The first letter,
Hold on.
2 letters.
Hold on.
Yes.
How many documents do you have before you?
This is the bunch of document that I gave you to the investigator.
Is that the only one you have?
No, this is the one that I submitted to the investigator.
Yes.
That's where all my evidences were.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, do you have another set of documents?
Yeah,
A binded one?
No, these are Rolls-Royce. But the documents attached to the Rolls-Royce, the whereabouts of the Rolls-Royce. It's 2 documents.
Secretariat, can you please furnish the witness with a complete set of what his submissions entailed? So, yes, that's what's remaining. Please furnish that to the witness. Please go through that set of documents and highlight the document you wish to highlight.
Okay, anyway, the documents are not here, but that's not the way. I mean that this one and this one is different. This
Okay,
one
Mr.
is Bentley.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Now come in.
no, let me come instead. And what I want to say is, you are making reference to a document that is not before us.
Council, does it mean that those documents were not submitted?
The documents that he's referring to are supposed to be letters, correct?
There are letters in regard to the distribution of the Rolls-Royce. 5 Rolls-Royce, 1 Bentley, and 1 Mini Cooper, small one. These are the documents related to the 5 Rolls-Royce.
So now what we do is, Mr. Saidy-Bah, just tell us about the letters instead.
No,
describe the letters and what the letters entail.
Okay, the letter intends about 5 Rolls-Royce, 1 Mini, and 1 Bentley were exchange of 4 Prados, 2 14-seater van, and 4 Mitsubishi L200, and 2 VIP Benz E200.
So now,
Yes.
is that the information that you had earlier dubbed as confidential?
Yes, because it was cabinet decision.
Yes, just for the purpose of the record. I'm not.
It just was cabinet decision.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Saidy-Bah.
Yeah.
There are 5 Rolls Royces, correct?
Right.
You said 5 Rolls Royces,
Yes.
1 Bentley,
1 Bentley,
1 Mini Cooper,
1 Mini Cooper. Yes.
and is that it?
That is it.
Were exchanged for
4 Prados TXL.
who? First of all, before we know what it was exchanged for, who exchanged?
Council,
Yes.
before we go further, the witness must produce these 2 documents.
We'll get to that. We'll get to that. I'll make that application to you, indeed. So, 5 Rolls Royces,
Yes.
1 Bentley,
And 1 Mini.
and 1 Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper. Yes.
All right. They were exchanged. Who exchanged them?
It's the cabinet decision.
It was a cabinet decision. So the government of the Gambia exchanged these.
Yes.
Do you remember what date they exchanged it?
Now this one, the document is not in my hand. I was not able to do.
That's why I asked whether you remember.
I remember.
You don't remember?
No.
Okay, you don't remember the year
No,
it was done. It was not done in 2017.
No.
It was not done in 2018.
No.
What about 2019?
It was then Noah Toure was the Secretary General.
It was done when Noah Toure was...
Was the Secretary General.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. So, who did they exchange it with?
They exchanged it with a company in Senegal called EMG. EMG. What is that?
EMG.
Yes. Company
In Senegal.
in Senegal. Yes.
All right, so the government of the Gambia exchanged it in Noah Toure's time with EMG company in Senegal.
Yes.
All right. And what did they exchange it for?
They exchanged for 4 Prado,
4 Prados?
Toyota Prado TXL,
All right.
and 2 14-seater van, Toyota.
2 14-seater vans.
Toyota.
Okay.
4 L200 pickup.
4 S200 pickup.
L200.
L200.
Pickup.
What brand are these? Are they Mercedes?
No, they are Mitsubishi.
They are Mitsubishi.
Yeah.
All right.
And 2 Mercedes-Benz VIP E200.
2 Mercedes-Benz
VIP E200. E200, yeah.
Okay. So essentially, seven vehicles were changed for 10 vehicles.
Yeah.
Of course, the 5 luxury Rolls Royces and also the Bentley were included in that 7.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Okay.
But at the time,
Are you aware of any valuation put on the vehicles before they were exchanged?
there was an evaluator. There was an evaluation
Who did the
conducted by
evaluation?
Mr. Ibrahim Njai.
Ibrahim?
Ibrahim Njai.
Ibrahim Njai. Who is Ibrahim Njai?
Ibrahim Njai is an evaluator. Then he was the one in charge of MSA.
He was the one in charge of MSA.
MSA at the time.
And he was also evaluator.
He was the
He
evaluator.
attached a value to them.
Yes.
All right. The vehicles that they were exchanged with, where are they?
They are the office of the president. We are using them.
They are all at the office of the president.
All are the office.
Are they assigned?
They are assigned as security.
They're assigned
Security. Yeah.
to different ministers.
No. Security only.
But they're all security vehicles.
Only security
All
people.
right, all 10 of them.
All 10 of them. Except the 2 VIP.
Except the 2 Mercedes-Benz VIPs.
VIP, yeah.
And where are those?
They are there. They are the open.
With who?
We use them for VIP.
Okay, you use them when you have guests.
Yes, yes.
All right, so and they're under your control.
They are under my control. Yeah.
All right, great. Let's move on.
Yes,
I'm being
just a
like-
quick one, because I know you keep saying 10 vehicles, but what I have is 12. Is it 10 vehicles or 12 vehicles?
Please, let's do that
We need
again.
to reconcile it, yeah.
They were exchanged for 4 Prado TXL.
4 L200.
4
Yes.
that's 8.
That's a 2 trailer pickup. Sorry, 2 trailer 14-seater
That's
Yes.
10.
and 2 Mercedes-Benz VIP.
I see, that's 12.
Yeah.
My apologies. So for 12 vehicles. 7 vehicles. All right, let's proceed. From the Rolls Royce, you can see. All right, so what I wish for you to do is to tally this and tell us each vehicle where they are currently, whether it was part of the sale, whether it is stationed at State House or wherever they are. Let's do it quickly.
No, for that it cannot be done now because these are plenty. Because I know for sure that the VIP ones are the ones that we are left at the present and we have been using them since 2017 to date. There are other ones that have been sold by the auction, by the General Commission. Then to verify which one was sold by General Commission and which one are in my custody, the one that are in my custody presently, I can show you this.
Secretariat, if we could separate, I'm seeing Mr. Saidy-Bah has several documents on his table. If you could separate the 3 documents I had given him from any other document for now.
So this one is my only vendor.
I understand. I just
You said
want to
the-
make sure the record keeping is tidy.
Let me sign it. But they are together.
Go ahead. Show us the document.
Okay, we have 7 long Huma luxury
Yes.
at the presidency. We have short long Huma at the presidency. We have 3 Lincoln at the presidency, VIP. We have 2 Hovers, VIP. We have Hyundai Boss 2 OP.
How many cars are on that list? Secretary, please, Mr. Saidy-Bah, just submit the document to the Secretariat.
Okay, that's the document.
Is there any other documents that you withheld?
So these are the ones that are being packed now at the presidency without being used. But the other ones have been.
When was this record taken?
No, this one, the list of the vehicles that are presently packed at the presidency.
My question is, when did you take this record?
It was with me.
When?
It was with me in the office. Because I know, so these are not the ones that we use.
Saidy-Bah, when did you take this record?
I cannot remember when that was, but I know it's
Was it this year?
It's not quite long.
It's not quite long.
Yeah.
Was it in January?
No, when the auditor came, national audit, when they came there.
And when did they come there? In March?
No, I can't remember. They came to the office of the president trying to check the vehicles that have been left there presently. Then I went round with them. And these were the vehicles that were left.
There's no date on this document.
No.
There's no signature, there's no, it's just that,
This is just to give you that these are the vehicles remaining packed at the presidency.
so this is a note.
It's a note.
All right, I will hand it back to the Secretariat and ask that you sign
Okay.
as Mr. Saidy-Bah, the vehicle controller, and make sure you put your designation in there.
I will show.
And we'll make a copy, and this time we'll give you back your originals.
Okay.
All right, so I could agree with you that perhaps this job would be tedious to do it one by one.
Okay.
So I'll save you from it. I'm not sure whether the members will save you from the same exercise. They could decide to put you to task. However, the approach I will take now is, when you went on inventory taking of these items two times, correct?
Which items?
The vehicles.
At the presidency or?
Kanilai and all the other places.
Yeah, we did it twice. The first one is vehicles. The second one is tractors. But we do inventory twice. First inventory were vehicles. Second inventory were tractors.
Tractors.
Tractor, yeah.
All right. So, and the second inventory, who prompted it?
The tractors
Yes.
is the commission, General Commission.
So you were written to by the commission.
Yeah, I was sitting to by the commissions to go and have a discussion with them.
And then what happened in the discussions?
When I went there, they said that they want to tax my team because they heard that my team was going around to invent the vehicles that are belonging to the former president that he left at the presidency at the time. He left. Then we conduct that exercise. We give that report to IGP, and they also engaged me and said they want my team to go and do the same verification exercise with the Commission of Inquiries for the tractors. This only for tractors.
Why did they insist on just tractors?
No, because they said that other inventories has been done.
Done.
Yes, and then they said that now we have to engage on the tractors.
Is it also the case that they also felt that the tractors were government assets rather than Jammeh assets?
No, at the time of Ghana Concern being given me the instructions to go and verify and assess the tractors. At the time, I may think that they also don't know, as I also don't know whether these tractors are belong to government or they belongs to Jammeh.
So what did you find out?
No, we just went and take the inventory of tractors that was being distributed and being given to government institutions by them, the former president.
Okay, just a quick question. Do you usually document tractors as government vehicles? Usually?
Yeah, tractors that are government owned.
So
But it's not much. I think it might be only few.
So when you say few, you mean like 5, 10, 20?
No. In government, it's very rare, in fact. I think it's only few that we are.
Give us a number, an indicative number.
Maybe we have one at OP, and we have some at patients, some other government institutions that are, I think they have something to do with that. It's not much, actually.
Okay, so
I'm not able to remember offhand.
That's
but
fine.
when we check the inventory,
That's
the
fine.
tractors, all informations are there.
That's fine. So you later on had an engagement with the commission, which was in the sales.
Well,
What was your role in the sales?
now what do you mean by on the sales? Before the sales, there were so many things.
Okay, please enlighten us. Enlighten us. What else did you do after the inventory of the tractors?
After the inventory of the tractors, an auctioneer also, an evaluator was contracted to evaluate the tractors. An auctioneer also was contracted to auction the tractors. And that's where they start to auction the tractors.
But the valuer,
That's the
went with you on your first visit for the tractor inventory, right?
No. My team went to invent the tractors nationwide. After the inventory, a document was provided to the commissions. Then based on that documents, that's the document that they use to contract the evaluator.
Were you there?
We are on the meeting at the commission. We are all there.
Okay, it was a meeting there.
It was a meeting
Okay,
at the General Commission.
Go on then, please.
And then they said that they are going to contract an evaluator. And they contracted an evaluator, which was Mr. Jammeh. He went
Mr.
around
Ibrahim of MSA.
NSA. He
Okay.
traveled with my team where these tractors were invented and they were packed.
You were not there.
No, I assigned my team.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the second visit with the
That's
commission.
the second visit with the commission.
So, but that's the third overall inventory,
Inventory.
so to speak. Okay.
Yeah. And there there was another meeting also after the evaluation report. Then there was another meeting. The meeting was, they said they are going to contract an auctioneer to auction the tractors.
And did they eventually do that?
Yes, the tractors were auctioned.
They were auctioned.
They were-
Were you there?
I was there at when the first day at Kotu.
At Kotu.
Kotu,
What
yeah.
role did you play?
I just went out to oversee because my men are there. My men are there with the General Commission, the PIU, the Accountant General. It was a combined team all over the stakeholders concerned about General Commission. All these team members were there
So you went there as an observer.
as an observer.
And what does being an observer entail?
Yeah, because my team is there, and then we have the inventory, and there were other vehicles also that were parked there, which are also not part of the General Commission's vehicles and tractors, and there are other vehicles also that were parked there, and there are tractors among them. Then, as far as my teams are there to verify which belongs to General Commission and which are not belongs to General Commission.
Okay. I did not know that the Jammeh Commission owned any vehicles, but
No,
I
I
take
mean
it that
tractors.
the point that you're trying to put across is that
No, the documents provided to General Commission to verify which one belongs to the verification that they are going to auction.
So are you saying that aside from tractors, the commission did not sell any vehicles
They sell vehicles before the tractors.
on that day,
No, before the tractor sales.
before the tractor sales?
Yeah.
And was that done via auction?
It was done by public auction.
Were you there?
I was there the first day in court.
So you're always there in the first day.
Yes, because
So two occasions.
two occasions, yes.
So the first occasion they were selling the normal cars.
Normal vehicles, yes.
That's the other cars that
Other
you
cars,
mentioned.
other
The
vehicles, yeah.
pickups and
Other,
and were you there as an observer as well?
yeah. I'm the team leader. When they have to start the selling, I have to be there to know how the process are going.
Say that again. You are the team.
I was the team leader.
You were the team leader.
Good. When
For the
the
inventory taking.
inventory taken.
Now, when it came to sales,
Yes.
were you still the team leader?
No, I'm not. The team leader is the auctioneer.
All right.
When you come to sell, the auctioneer is the team leader.
All right. So when you were selling, when the commission was selling vehicles, not aside from tractors,
Yes.
were you there?
Yes, I was.
You were there on the first day.
Yes.
And you partook as an observer, as you said.
Yes.
Who else was there?
My team members are there.
And who else?
Accountant General, the PRU, the Channel Commissions, Alaikona was the head, he was also there, including other observers, including the general public.
Do you remember anybody from the commission?
Come again?
Do you remember anybody from the Journey Commission being
I
there?
remember Mamadi Kurang, I remember Padrame, the others I may not remember them all. But these two key people, I remember them.
What about from MOJ?
These of justice.
Yes.
They can be there, but I may not be able to know them.
Okay.
Yeah.
The gentleman that you gave a car to, he wasn't there?
Jallo,
Yes.
you could be there. Because plenty of people were there. You cannot recognize all.
All right. And you were paid for your observation?
Yes, I was paid there.
How much were you paid?
By attendance, I was paid $1,000.
Your attendance just to come and observe?
Yes,
Okay. That was the first day, correct?
yes,
You said you like pickups.
yes.
You bought a pickup, correct?
Yes, I bought a pickup, yes.
What was the nature of your pickup?
It's a scrap,
It's a scrap.
yes.
Who determined that it was a scrap?
The evaluator.
The valuer determined it was a scrap.
Yes, yes.
So what was the nature of that scrap?
The scrap is a scrap. The engine was there, but it's almost half engine was there, almost half. And almost all other parts are also not there.
What do you mean by all other parts were not there? The body was there.
Yeah, the body is there, yes. But
The tires were there.
other than the body, most of the parts are not there.
No tires.
2 tires, I don't know, 2 or 3.
2 tires.
2 tires.
And the engine was not functioning.
No. The engine is a scrap.
Okay. What kind of vehicle was your pickup?
It's Toyota Land Cruiser pickup.
A Toyota Land Cruiser pickup.
Yeah. It's a Buffalo pickup that we use. We use for the previous security convoy.
So it was a military pickup.
It was a military pickup, yes.
Okay. Do you remember how much you bought it for?
I bought it for 20,000.
20,000.
20,000, yes.
Was it armored?
20,000.
Was it an armored vehicle?
No. It's an ordinary pickup.
It's an ordinary pickup.
Ordinary pickup. It's an ordinary pickup.
All right. Do you remember there being a G-Wagon?
Yes, G-Wagon, yes.
It was an armored G-Wagon, correct?
Yes, it was an armored G-Wagon, yes.
How many were they?
Only one.
Only one.
Only one.
An armored G-Wagon.
Yes.
What does armored mean?
A bulletproof.
Bulletproof.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So, was that the only Mercedes-Benz four-wheel?
That was the only Mercedes-Benz.
There were no other AMGs?
No, only that one.
All right. Did you see that vehicle being sold?
No, it's never been sold.
You never saw it on the ground?
To sold it?
Yes.
To sold it?
Yes.
No, that vehicle is not sold.
It's not sold?
No. It's not sold.
So, okay, let's take it. You are excited. I'm also excited.
Okay.
I mean, it's a G-Wagon.
Yeah.
As a vehicle controller, you can appreciate it.
Yeah,
As a young man, I can also appreciate it.
no, I don't appreciate that.
Okay.
I'm a civil servant.
That's fine. When you went to MSA the first time,
Yeah.
when the IGP sent you,
Yeah.
did you see the G-Wagon?
No, G1 was not at the MSA, it was at the office of the president.
Office of the President.
Yeah.
Where was it transported eventually to MSA?
No, the vehicle, since it Since that vehicle came to the officer repair, it has never been moved there until after the impasse.
So,
Yes.
it was not taken to MSA?
No, it was not taken to MSA.
Okay. So it was never at MSA?
No, it was never at MSA.
Therefore, it was never at any of the sales?
No, it was not at any of the sales.
Is it still at State House?
It's still out.
It's an armored vehicle.
It's an armored vehicle, yes.
What kind of vehicle is it?
It's G-Wagon, Mercedes-Benz.
Okay. What color is it?
It's black.
It's black.
Yes.
All right. Was there any other black Mercedes Benz, which is armored?
Yes, it's a salon Mercedes-Benz, which is armored.
Which type of Benz is it?
It's 190.
It's a 190.
Yeah, Benz 190.
But it's armored.
It's armored, yes.
And there was also a long caravan.
No, it's a 190, it's small.
I understand. But there was also a long caravan bus.
A long caravan bus?
Yes.
VIP bus. That
Yes.
one was at
So where was it taken?
It was been sold by the auction.
It was sold in the auction.
Jammeh Commissioner.
You saw it being sold?
I saw it being sold. The bill ring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since see, you remember the bell ringing. Do you remember who sold it?
Who sold it? It's the auctioneer who sold it.
Remember who bought it?
No, I can't remember. But I know it had been bought by I don't know. It was been bought.
It has been bought by who?
The bidder who bid the highest price.
The bidder who bid that. I like that answer.
Yeah.
It's a very good answer.
Yeah.
Right. All right. What about any other armored vehicles? Were there any other armored vehicles?
Now, other than the G-Wagon and then that one Benz 190, those are the only two.
Okay. You mentioned that the G-Wagon is in State House currently.
It's presently it's there.
Are you aware of any vehicles being sold before the auction or outside of the auction process?
Which type?
My question is, are you aware of any vehicles being sold outside of the auction process?
No, not to my knowledge.
Okay. Are you aware of any vehicles being assigned before the commission finished its work?
Okay.
Any vehicles being assigned before the commission finished its work?
To assign to whom? These are the
Any
only
person.
These are the people that have been assigned, and we have been using them.
But those were government vehicles or were they Jammeh vehicles?
No, I may not able to know whether they are
But
Jammeh.
they were assigned,
They are assigned. We are using them.
even though it was not clear whose vehicles they were.
No, we couldn't clear.
Okay. Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes,
you mentioned you bought a pickup.
yes,
It was a scrap pickup.
yes.
Is there a reason why you opted for the scrap instead of a fully functioning pickup?
No. I don't need any fully functioning pickup. I just need a scrap.
You need a scrap.
I just need that
Do you
scrap.
mind me asking why?
No, I just need it.
You just need the
Yeah,
scrap.
I just need it to buy it.
Okay. Was that vehicle an armored vehicle?
No. I said that ordinary pickup. Pickup cannot be armored. It's not an ordinary vehicle pickup that we have been using during our convoy. I don't know.
So it was not armored.
No, it was not armored. It's an ordinary pickup that we have been using with it in our convoy.
What about any So you see, when you took possession, rather when you did the inventory at MSA and all these different places, Kanilai, did you then take control of those respective places, or did you just do inventory?
No, we don't do the inventory and leave it with the people that are managing the complex at the time.
So at all times, everywhere that you went to, there was somebody managing the place?
Yes.
Every single place?
Every single place.
Okay, so there was no need for you to secure the place?
No, the only thing secured by the people who were there.
Who were there?
Yes.
All right. Honorable Chair, I would then pass the baton on to you.
Council, Mr. Witness, now the members of the committee will have chance to ask questions for clarity. I would give it to our Honorable Yao and Honorable Jammeh first, and then.
Thank you very much, Chair. And thank you, Mr. Saidy-Bah, for your cooperation. But then I think we will really seek more clarity from your end. And I want to start from the end of the inventory that you submitted to this committee. And I'll be looking at the grand total of sales that you, grand total of the inventory that you have. To start with, is it true that in your inventory you have 368 vehicles?
Yes, we have 368 people.
Are you sure that is the number, if I may ask again?
Yes, that's the number.
Okay. Mr. Saidy-Bah, I just want to put it to you that as per the records before us, it seems the figures are not right. For example, you said vehicles that are roadworthy. You stated to have 122. Yeah, you can give him the calculator because you will do some.
I'm just trying to check. Yes.
122. If you look at the NT.
Yes, 122.
22,
yes.
That are roadworthy.
Roadworthy, yes.
Right, but if you do the mathematics,
Okay.
you realize instead of 122 roadworthy vehicles, it appears to be 123. And if you disagree with me, you can take a calculator. We start from the 22 that you recorded from Kanilai down to the 69. We'll give you 123.
Down to?
Down to 69 after Bafuloto.
Yes, yes.
Yes. If you do the addition,
Okay.
you get 123 instead of 122.
Yeah, it could be possible unless we go through it.
It could be possible.
No, it's sugar. You said what I record is 360.
So meaning, what you are telling us is the information that is before us, which emerged from your end, we cannot rely on it.
I rely on it. I rely on it.
You rely on it. So now why the discrepancies? Can you tell us?
No.
Why 123 if you do the addition instead of 122 as captured in the inventory?
This is why you bring the calculator to calculate back. This is why you said, let them give me the calculator to calculate it back. But me, what I have calculated is 368, and I'm sure that what I have invented is 368.
I want to put it to you that it's not 368, it is 366.
It's 368.
Okay, we will get there. We will do the calculation, sir.
Okay.
All right. Also, looking at the list, vehicles that are not roadworthy, you listed to have 120.
20.
But if you do the math, you realize it's 121.
No, anyway, what I've written, that's what I calculate.
Now, can we do the calculation and agree on a figure? Because for us, we cannot speculate. We need to ascertain the numbers and we need to ensure the numbers are right. And you are the very right person to help us to get the figures right.
But the figures that I have put here are the figures that I have invented. Then I don't know where do you get 124 or 121.
If you take the calculator, you will know. I will guide you through.
But
There is no but. Take the calculator, you do the mathematics. Either get it wrong or right.
okay,
Let's start with vehicles that are roadworthy. 22 plus 6.
122.
No, don't put the 122 there. Take the 122 out. I want us to figure out how you reach at 122. So as such, we must do a head count as per what is on the list from Kanilai, Kotu, MSA, Feature, like Jammeh Foundation, you name it.
Okay.
So we start with 22.
22 is where?
Plus 6.
22 is where? Where do you get the 22?
I get it on your inventory, the evidence you submit. I get it from this book on the last page.
No, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking.
Okay, where I get the 22 is
Kanilai.
vehicles that are roadworthy, Kanilai,
Okay.
you said to found 22.
22?
Hmm?
Yes, 22.
In Kotu, Asombi's home, you said to found 6. MSA 13. Hmm? Jammeh Foundation 7.
Oh. No. Jammeh Foundation, we don't find any people there which
Jammeh Foundation, you don't have any.
said
Ah, okay. Bujinga 2. Bara Banana Plantation 2. Bafuloto 2. Okay. Sorry.
No.
Take your time.
Bara,
Hmm?
Bara,
Bara Banana Plantation 2. Bafuloto 2. Individual 69. How much?
that is 123.
123. So you agree with me that the figures you have on that list for goods that are roadworthy is incorrect before you move.
Okay, maybe refer you back to Bara Plantation.
No, before you refer me, I want us to agree on this first, then you can come and make a comment, sir.
I know.
With all due respect,
I know
please.
where the errors are.
No, before you tell me where the errors are, I want us to finalize on these figures.
Okay, it's all right.
If you have any remark to make, you are feel free to make those remarks. So we have 123
Okay.
instead of 122,
Okay.
meaning that part is wrong. Hmm?
There's an error on it.
Okay, let's move to the other one.
What is it above, is it 123 and 120?
No, vehicles that are roadworthy, after doing my calculation, I get 123 instead of 122
Okay,
as per what you captured on the inventory.
okay, that's fine.
Hmm?
Okay,
So let's look at the second one. You said vehicles that are not roadworthy. You said have 120 vehicles. Is that right?
not roadworthy yet.
120. Am I right?
You are right.
After doing the mathematics, I realized that there were 121 against what you have on your inventory.
Okay, let me check.
Yeah, you can check me. I already checked.
22. No, but we did not go to Bakuloto. We did not go to Bakuloto. Turn the page.
I turned the page.
Yes.
No, I think you have 120, right?
120.
And I said in my calculation I have 121. if you disagree with me, we do the same thing.
Okay, that one is 121.
121.
Yeah.
So meaning, the evidence you submit to us with regards to the number of vehicles that are not roadworthy is wrong. You agree, yes or no? I want you to...
Yes, I agree. Yes.
Thank you. Now,
Okay.
in conclusion, you said to have 368 on your inventory. However, if you sum up the figures you have, it seems to give us 366 vehicles instead of 368. Do you agree or not?
Let me check. Okay, this one is 94. Okay,
So now,
let me check. 94.
no, don't go there. I would help you out.
Okay,
Now,
all right.
just look at the grand total.
The grand total is 368.
368. Now look at the figures. That gives you the grand total. 122, 120, 124.
122.
120
121, sorry. Okay.
and 124.
It's 366.
366.
66.
Speak over the mic.
366.
So meaning it's not 368. Can you tell this committee where are the other two vehicles?
No, this one, there is another one which is 120 and it's 121. There is 121 and 120. Then this,
Where do you have that? 120 and 121.
No,
Can you guide me?
no, when you calculate 120, it's 121. Yes, when you add 122, it's 123.
No, that is my figures that I established.
Yeah, that's what
I want us to look at the figures that you submitted before this committee. That is my interest now.
It's the figures that we are talking about. You should plus 1 and minus 1. And when you go to Bara plantation, there is miscalculation that was done there.
But-
This is why the figures came down.
Mr. Sidiya,
Yes.
before I will get distracted, I want us to look at the grand total.
The grand total is 368.
122,
122.
120,
No, but before 122, before 122, it was 123.
it was 123.
Yes.
No, you know my problem is, Saidy-Bah, it's like you are misguiding me.
No, I'm not.
No, just wait. The reason why I said you are misguiding me,
Yes.
I'm looking at the evidence before me.
Yes.
And the evidence that I have before me, on grand total, as per vehicles that are roadworthy, is 122. Am I right?
Not what you 122.
122.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Huh? Those that are not roadworthy.
120.
Huh?
120.
120.
1.
On your list there?
120.
120 is what you have on the list there.
Yeah, but when you calculate,
No, just wait. Let's not talk about the calculation. Please, sir. Let's not talk about the calculation because I did the calculation to establish the gaps. I want us to stick on the evidence you give to this committee. Let's confine ourselves to that. So meaning vehicles that are not roadworthy are 120, right? On the list
120.
of your inventory. Huh? Okay. The last one would be the scraps. Is 124.
121.
So now, if you add 122,
It's 366.
it's still
366.
366,
Yes.
not 368 as captured. So now my question is, how can you justify the shortfall on the list as per the evidence you shared with this committee?
Okay, good. When you check the number of vehicles that I 98. When you check 94, List number, when you count from 1 to 94, there's duplication 92 and 89. It means that 92 is minus.
I don't get it.
No.
Which document are you looking at?
I'm looking about the document added to give you 368.
Yes.
Yes.
And in fact to say, after doing the add-ups, it's 366 instead of 368.
There is a duplication 89 and 92.
89 and 92, guide me.
No.
I haven't seen anything like 89 and 92 on the list I have.
That's the list that I have. That's the list that I have.
Chair, I just want him to look at the inventory I have. Let him compare it or contrast it with the list that he is reading from.
Yeah.
Let us try and establish one thing.
Yes, yeah, just to make sure we don't spend too much time on this. You see, what's happened is, like Honorable is right, when you add up the roadworthy vehicles, the witness had 122 on the list here. But in actual fact, if you add it up, you have 123. It's 123 understated here. But then when you go to the other one also, the not roadworthy, the witness had 120. But if you add it together, what he put, you have 121. So if you add 122, 123 plus 121 plus 124, you actually get 368. So the 368 is correct. 368, yeah, it's correct. Yeah, it's correct.
The same page, that the total, there is an understatement.
No, for me, he should be asked that question whether he is in the same page with me. The reason why I said so is, for me, after adding up the numbers, I realized there were discrepancies, and he agreed that with me.
Now, let me end up, witness, hold on. Now, there is a disagreement. We'll take note of that, and the committee will do that at our own meetings.
Okay.
Now, but we take on the page
Okay.
what had happened now.
Okay.
There is a shortage on your side. Your number disagrees with Honorable's number, but we cannot keep staying at that moment forever. But we take note of that. But this will help us in our recommendation. So, in the end, if we sit and combine,
Okay.
then we'll see whether the total is 368 or less than 368.
Okay, all right.
And then we can proceed with your other questions.
Okay. Mr. Saidy-Bah, was there at any time that the recovered vehicles were assigned to individuals who are outside government structure?
No.
There was none.
That was not.
Okay. Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
what will be your take on the black Mitsubishi Pajero that was recovered from Captain Yahya Jammeh, Villa Brufut, assigned to Njaga, Magum Estate? Number 67, I think. 7, yes. BJL 3305K.
67. Yeah, okay, you see, Java is just an address to identify, but when you check, it is indicated that His Excellency the President, the vehicle was assigned to the resident. It was assigned to the resident in Yalamama. That's where the vehicle was assigned to.
But now, what brought about Njaga and the estate company?
No, it-
What kind of identification are you trying to tell us?
It's just to verify that the vehicle is being assigned to the resident of His Excellency the President at Yalamama.
So, meaning it is wrong to have it on your list that the vehicle was assigned to Njaga and what is the name of the company? and Magum Estate.
No, the vehicle was, it's just only the address, but the vehicle was assigned to to resident of His Excellency President Nfamara.
But then,
It's just to identify,
No, Mr. Saidy-Bah.
identify the user.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
you have every other opportunity
Yes.
in terms of identification
Yes.
on the allocation of vehicles to individuals. So why should it be Njaga instead of the residence of the president?
It's all the same. Because the vehicle was assigned to Nfamara and it was been assigned to the present use and resident use.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
I am beginning to suspect that these vehicles, you distributed them amongst yourself instead of committing them to government structures.
No,
Just wait, don't speak against me. If you are speaking, I patiently listen.
Okay.
Looking at the records,
Yes.
it is right to say the vehicle was assigned to Margin Estate and Jaga instead of the president's residence. Is that wrong or right?
Check the remarks. 67, check the remarks.
Look, Mr. Saidy-Bah, I don't have to check the remarks. I have to look at what I am availed with, which is very clear. Margin Estate and Njaga's name.
What you are asking me, that's what I have answered. I said it's just to identify purposes. But the vehicle is assigned to the resident of His Excellency the President. I never assigned the vehicle to that.
Okay.
Just say,
Mr. Saidy-Bah, don't worry, let's move on.
okay, all right.
Let's move on. Now, I want us to look at your statement.
Okay, my own statement.
Yes, clause 29.
My own statement.
Your own statement, Saidy-Bah.
You know, there's two statements that I wrote. The one
No,
that I
you-
wrote and the one the one.
No, the one you wrote and signed and submitted to the committee.
No, that's what I'm telling you. I wrote two statements.
Okay, the one, let me give you the
Statement
date.
written by the investigator and the statement that I wrote for myself.
What I have before me, the heading says, witness statement of Nfamara Saidy-Bah,
Okay.
signed, dated 18th day of August 2025.
Okay.
Was that a statement that you wrote to start with?
Yes.
Good. I want us to look at clause 29 of that statement.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
You have seen it.
Yes.
Is it true to say that you only bought one vehicle?
Yes. I bought only one vehicle.
Only one vehicle.
Only one vehicle.
What will be your take if your name should appear on the sales list against other purchases aside one vehicle?
Honorable, I personally bought only one vehicle.
My question is,
Yes.
what will be your take if Nfamara Saidy-Bah's name should appear on the list multiple times in terms of purchasing vehicles?
Am I the only Nfamara Saidy-Bah in the Gambia? We have thousands of one Nfamara Saidy-Bah. Then it could be other Nfamara Saidy-Bah, but it's only single vehicle that I bought. That's the Toyota Land Cruiser that I bought. The pickup. It could be many Nfamara Saidy-Bahs, but
It could be many, huh?
it could be many. Yeah. But
Okay,
the one-
Mr. Saidy-Bah, to start with,
Yes.
can you write your phone numbers for us on a piece of paper, please? Chair, with your permission. All the numbers that you used during that time. Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
are these the only two numbers that you use at the time of taking the inventory or at the time of the sales?
These are the two numbers that I use.
These are the two numbers we are using. Chair, I think you need to help us out here for Mr. Saidy-Bah to be truthful to this committee. The reason why I said so, I'll give you an example. He said to buy one pickup, and the number he has against that pickup and the numbers he shared here are different. And why? For example, if you look at the sales record, MOJ8, he bought a pickup for 20K. The number he have against it is 3579521.
I've never used that number. Ask anybody in this
3579521. No, 520. 3579520. And he said he have never used that number.
No.
Okay, no, that's fine. You will be able to establish who owns the number.
Yeah.
Yes, because the reason why I asked this, I also understand that you bought a truck for 75K.
No.
And
Sure.
your name is there.
No.
Nfamara Saidy-Bah, 3579692 as the number.
No.
79691. One. We have another one where he bought something for $3,000, I think. Let me just find that on the list. Yes.
Oh no, my apologies for interjecting. I'm just suggesting that perhaps if we can, when you identify the numbers, you can identify 2 in the front and 2 at the back, so that we don't expose the entire number.
Okay. I don't in fact have to read the number, I think.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Keep all the numbers to yourself and then later.
Yes, later on we can look at that. Nfamara, Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
I have also seen that you bought a head of a Bedford K23 at $3,000.
It's not possible. It's not me.
It's not you.
Allah Azim is not me.
Okay.
No.
No, it's good we clarify with you.
Yeah, definitely.
Because it's your name we are seeing, and you are the only Nfamara Saidy-Bah known to us.
You see, Honorable,
Yes, sir.
I don't see why I should tell a lie here. I don't see any reason. The only people that I bought is only the pickup, and I have my receipt with me. To be honest, all other people that if it's that number, you can ask anybody in this country. I never use that number. I have never. The people that I bought it for 20.
No.
That's my receipt.
No, Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
I wouldn't really dispute the fact that,
I never.
now let me just say this, the fact that the numbers don't belong to you.
No, it doesn't.
But what really appears to be right here is, you have your names against these purchases, or a similar name to you, because it's also Nfamara Saidy-Bah.
You are now coming. You are now coming. It could be similar, but not me.
It's the same name.
You have 1,001 the same name here. When you go to Paris, 1,001 Nfamara is there. Then you go to Jarasoma, you have 1,001 Nfamara Saidy-Bah is there.
That is very...
It's a common name.
No, you know, Mr. Saidy-Bah, what happened?
Yes.
We have been seeing such
Yes.
appearing before us.
Yes.
What I meant is we have been seeing such is.
Yes.
We have been seeing, for example, I'll give you another typical example that may interest you here.
Okay.
We have seen where you captured in your inventory a particular name, I think called Captain Lamin Sedikan.
Senegal.
You go to the sales records, you also see a similar name
Okay.
without the captain, but Lamin Sedikan. And aside that, we have seen repeatedly that the records that we are having before us, as we have the discrepancies on your number of vehicles, on the inventory, we have seen such repeatedly happening. And we have seen it emerging from your end as well.
It could be. But me, to be honest, it's only one vehicle that I bought, to be honest. If I bought, I will say I bought them, because if I bought them, I will say I bought them. But to be honest, it's only one that I bought. Only one.
Only one.
Only.
Okay, that's fine. We wouldn't take much time on that. Mr. Saidy-Bah, This might be a final question. Mr. Saidy-Bah, you said there were no vehicle assigned outside government structures. Am I wrong or right? Because we talked about Majum, I will not come back to that.
Okay.
Hmm?
No, there is no.
There was none.
No, the list that I have, there is no.
Okay, if I may ask,
Okay.
what about vehicles that were assigned to imams, retrieved from them and reassigned to them? Are these imams under government structure? Please guide us. I would love to know.
No. Those are directives given by then the Secretary General. He said, let me return the vehicles to the imams.
You know, Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
you said there was no vehicle
Yes.
reassigned or assigned
Yes.
outside government structures.
Yes.
And in your inventory, I have seen about 3 or so imams at different locations, I wouldn't call their names,
Yes.
who were assigned or reassigned vehicles. Are these imams under any government structure?
No, they are not under government structure, but I have been directed to return their vehicle to them. Yes.
In your opinion, as a government vehicle controller, is it right to assign vehicles to individuals who are outside government structure?
Come again?
At your capacity,
Yes.
as the government head of vehicle control,
Yes.
is it appropriate
Yes.
for one to assign a government vehicle to an individual who is not within government structure?
Good. Okay. Anyway, it's not right. But the issue of the matter is, these vehicles that we are talking about, these Pajeros that we are talking about, up to date, we cannot establish whether they are government owned, they are Jammeh purchased own vehicles, because these vehicles, they are large vehicles that have been brought to the presidency, and he was the one who distributed to the people. But the feelings that I have as government controller was that this vehicle came at a time. There are almost about 40 vehicles at a time when this vehicle came. They came together with several lots, Hyundai, Pajeros, okay, this vehicle we are Mitsubishi Pajero V6 petrol, Hyundai salons, Ford salons, and several lots. There were 40 when they came. This was in 2014. When then the fat mass group was then the Minister of Tourism.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
I'm coming. They are not government owned, but assume that when this vehicle came, they came with large numbers. That shows me that they could be government owned.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes.
hold on there. My question is, at your capacity as the head of government vehicle control, is it right to assign government vehicles to individuals
No,
that are not part of government structure? That is my question.
No. Government vehicle cannot be assigned to individuals that are outside government.
And you want to tell me these vehicles are not government vehicles?
No, they cannot be ascertained as government vehicle. Unless the ownership is known, then we can ascertain that they are government vehicles.
So until when you were seizing these vehicles, you didn't even know who actually owns them?
Yeah, but this is why I want to...
But then what also motivates you to seize these vehicles from these individuals?
Yeah, this is what I'm coming to tell you.
Please tell me.
Good. Then Fatma's job was the Minister of Tourism at then when these vehicles were becoming. I was part of the committee for the OIC member state ministerial meeting that was held in this country, in Kairaba Beach. A week before the summit, these vehicles were brought at the presidency. And these were the vehicles that we used for the ministers' meeting for the member state of OIC member state. These are the vehicles that we used. After the summit, that was the time the former president started to distribute these vehicles to certain individuals. And during our meeting, the chairperson of that meeting was Fatma, and Fatma was telling us that very soon vehicles will arrive, and these are the vehicles that the member states are going to use for the summit. OIC ministerial. That was in 2014. These vehicles were being used after they have been used. They have been assigned by the former president to other individuals and other institutions.
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yeah.
don't you think you are creating more confusion than clarity?
No, I'm not.
Just wait. You said these 40 vehicles were brought into the country
Yeah.
at the time of the AU summit.
Not the AU summit. I said OIC
OIC.
ministerial
Uh-huh.
meeting.
Okay.
Yes.
OIC ministerial meeting,
Yes.
which was a government organized event.
Then, yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
What will be your take in terms of when government organized an event
Yeah.
and provided fleets? Who do you think those fleets would belong to?
It should belong to the government.
It belongs to the government.
Yeah.
Then why do you rule out these vehicles that were given to the imams were not government vehicles?
Because at the time, I cannot establish when it was being issued to the imam, because then it was being distributed by the former president. My office was not involved for the distribution and for the arrival of the vehicles.
But after that, were you able to determine whether these vehicles belong to government or not?
I was not being assigned to determine. All what I was assigned, I know that these are vehicles that have been used by the OIC summit and they have been assigned to other peoples. I have to collect them and then bring them back on board.
I think, let me not take the time. Let me just stop here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Honorable Ture?
Mr. Saidy-Bah,
Yes, Honorable.
if you give me yes and no answers, then we'll be very quick.
Okay.
The 5 Rolls Royce that were transported from Kanilai to State House,
Yeah.
were they in very good order?
They were in very good order at the time.
Were they brand new?
No, they have been used before.
They were used before.
Yeah. We have been using them for the VIP.
Very good. Now you said something like TK Motors wrote to the Minister of Finance complaining about the status of the vehicles because the vehicles were bought from TK Motors.
Yes.
Are you in receipt of that letter, or were you just informed by the TK Motors or the Minister of Finance that a letter has been written by TK?
No, I was called by then the Secretary General Dauda.
The Secretary General.
Dauda Padera, and then the Minister of Finance, Amal Sane, in the office of Dauda Padera.
Yeah.
I was called and informed me that the TK Motors wrote a letter. Amal Sane told me that the TK Motors wrote a letter
Yeah.
complaining that the 33 pickers being taken by Jammeh was supplied from TK Motors to former president.
Yes.
And now they heard that the government are taking inventories of vehicles and they want their vehicles to be accounted for. Because that 33 pickers were not paid yet. Then they have to be accounted for so that their money can be paid because it was being issued to the former president.
They were not paid then.
No, they were not paid then.
They were not paid.
No.
So what actually happened to that 33 deal?
Yeah, after that then I was assigned by the Secretary General and then the Minister to go and verify those 33 pickups. Then I contacted the TK Motors and they give me the delivery note. The officer who received the vehicle at the arrival at the office of the president.
Okay.
It was Major Yahya Jammeh
Yeah.
who received those vehicles on behalf of the former president. The 32 pickups,
Yeah.
including the invoice. But on the delivery note, it said Professor Yahya Jammeh. That is what is written in the delivery note.
Yeah.
But the invoice is office of the president.
Office of the President.
The invoice
Okay.
is office of the president.
Okay.
It's about $54,770,000 on the invoice.
Okay.
Good. Then when I have those 2 documents,
Yeah.
then I went back to SD. I said, this is the documents from TK Motors in relation to the pickups that you assigned me to verify.
Yeah.
Just the 33 pickups
Okay.
being assigned to the former president as written as said profession. But the invoice is office of the president. He said, okay, go and locate where these pickups are. Then I asked the receiver, who was Mr. Jammeh, the major.
Yeah.
He told me that the regional governors were invited at OP. That was in November. before, prior to the election period. And the regional governors came, and then these people were distributed to the regional governors at the time.
Okay.
Okay. But later, after the impasse, immediately after the results was announced, during that 2-3 days, then the pickers were recalled back from the regional governors, and they were brought back to OP.
Okay. All of them?
Not all of them. All these two that we are, thank God, all of them were recalled, and all of them came back.
Okay.
After for a while, these pickers have been distributed to Gambia Armed Forces, the PRU, the police PRU, is only 2 that we have been assigned to private individuals. That's Matal Jaju and one Hamadi Sow of Nova Nyomi. Those are the only 2, but the rest of these 33 because we have been assigned to the security. Then we have to go back to this military outlet to go and physically invent them. After all the physical inventories, then 18 were issued to the Gambia Armed Forces, and then 8 were issued to the PRU, and then 3 were the ones that have been assigned to the Gongolas, and they went with their vehicles to wherever they want to go with their vehicles, because those 3 vehicles are not being invented because they were nowhere to be traced. And it is only one that was assigned to 3. One was assigned to the fuel dump, and the other 2 was assigned to the State Guard.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the distribution of the 30 pickups.
Okay, that was good.
After processing all the inventory, then I submit back to the Secretary General Dawda and inform him that these are the 30 pickups, and we show them the location. It was not stopped there. They said that all the pickup has to come to the Makar Square before the Ministry of Finance will do their effect payment. The people will recall all the ministry outlets, they all assembled at the Makar Square. Minister of Finance, the minister, the permanent secretary, they all went there to inspect physically and confirm these are the vehicles based on the chassis numbers. And the vehicles have been released to go with their owners. That's the security.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
That's a good clarification.
Okay.
Now, your inventory dated 27 February 2017 showed vehicles parked at President's office in Fajara.
Which one?
If you go by the inventory, you will see, when it comes to remarks, it will say Fajara.
Which one is that? Is it the big event? This one?
27th? Yes. If you look on the remarks column, you will see President's office Fajara, President's office Fajara.
This one? Is it this one or the main one?
This one. This one.
Okay, let me see that, please.
Yes.
Let me have a look on the big page.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, let me check. Okay, no, it's the same. It's the same.
Yes, you see number 1, Nissan B8 Black.
Yeah. Okay. I
Which
have
is
now.
President's office Fajara.
Yeah, it was assigned to Lami Cham after the inventory. You know what? After all these vehicles were invented, they were all parked at the presidency. Then the Secretary General said, okay, this is a coalition government, and most of the members, they don't have a vehicle. Now the vehicles that have been recovered, they are the vehicles that have been assigned to the coalition member. Then, you know, everybody was in Fajala then.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is why these vehicles have been assigned to the most of the users who are within the coalition.
It was given to coalition members.
Yes. Then.
Whether they are, state functionaries or not.
No. They have been assigned to them as to use them. They have been assigned to them.
That's my question. Whether those coalition members are ministers and permanent secretaries or what?
No. Some, the ministers also, they have their own ministry vehicle being at the ministry level.
Yes.
But these are the top coalition members that are not being assigned as official as them. They were not being assigned at that point. They were not being assigned at any portfolio at the time. But they are senior members of the coalition.
So it's distributed to them.
It's distributed to them, yes.
It's like given to them as their property.
No, as official use.
As for official use.
Yes, at the time, yes.
Okay. Now, my other question is, when you were doing your inventory, you were asked to do inventory.
Yes.
And that is your job to identify and create an invent. But then your detail goes to the extent of telling us whether a vehicle is roadworthy or is not roadworthy. Did you actually go along with an engineer or a mechanic to determine that?
You know, our team, we have an experienced person like me, because when a vehicle is roadworthy, when you look at it, straight away you know. When you open the bonnet, if the vehicle is minor mechanical issues, you will know. But when the vehicle is almost not having, when the vehicle is not being properly functioning, you will know, because the more you start, you will know. Yes. And when you look at it, there are vehicles that when you look at it, you know definitely these vehicles are good. But there are ones, when you look at them by pictures, when you check their pictures, that will determine whether they are good or they are not good.
Okay.
But we record them based on the expertise that we have.
Now, the issue that has still not been very clear is that the 5 Rolls-Royce that were brought to the State House, you said you started using them immediately before they were even, determined as to whether they are state vehicles or private vehicles.
Yes, because the vehicles have been used before.
You brought vehicles from Canada, you don't even know their status, started using them.
Yes, that was directly given then to use them. Because then those are the only vehicles that the former president left, and they have been used by VIPs. Like if the head of states are coming, those are the vehicles that we use. And when this other government came, we still continue to use them because that was their purpose. When the president comes and when the other VIP are coming equivalent to a president, like prime minister, like a vice president, a president, that's the time that we put those people on the road. Because we have been using them before. And now we move them from Canada and bring them back value and the presidency. When the president has...
You are saying it's an assumption.
Yeah.
It's an assumption that they are state vehicles.
Yeah, that's the assumption. Yeah.
Not verified.
Yeah.
Now, in your 27th February statement again, when you count the vehicles labeled APRC, my count is 7. But in your write-out, you said majority of the 33 vehicles were allocated to the APRC party officials and militants. What happened to the rest of the majority vehicles?
No, I give the breakdown to the investigator. They have it. All the 33 vehicles, they were all accounted for, and I give them the copy. They have the copy with them. Okay. They have the copy.
Yeah. Now, my question is, did you think the prices that were offered, you went there for observation, while they were doing the auction of the vehicles?
Yes, I attend all the 2.
Yes, you attended. Yes, in your own observation, do you think there was value for money during that period?
Auction...
The way they sold of those vehicles.
Auction depends on the auctioneer who is contracted. And then auctioneer also cannot auction vehicle without the evaluation report.
Yeah.
For example, if this calculator is valued for $5, the auctioneer will know it because the auctioneer's report, the evaluation report, nobody will have access to it except the auctioneer.
Okay.
Nobody. Even me as a controller, I will not have access to the evaluation report being handed over to the auctioneer.
Okay.
If this calculator is $5, the auctioneer will start $6. It will not start $5, and people will bid from $6 up. It depends whether it suits you to buy it. It depends. Yes.
Yes, finally, Chair. My problem is with the Rolls Royce,
Yeah.
5 Rolls Royce that were taken to Dakar or to Senegal. How did you do that procurement? Do you have any understanding of how that procurement was done?
That one.
Were both vehicles in Dakar that were exchanged with this Rolls Royce, were they all evaluated to know exactly how much this thing costs, how much before they are exchanged? Is that what happened?
What I know about that transaction was that it was a cabinet decision. That said they want to dispose the Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
And the cabinet has a contact person in Dakar of whom they contacted with. That company man sent 2 of his technicians to come to Banjul to come and check the vehicles that the Gambia government want to exchange with that company.
Yeah.
When they came, they checked the Rolls Royce, and they checked the Bentley, and they checked the Mini. It was only the Mini that was 100%. But the Rolls Royce, including the Bentley,
Yeah.
they were all developed problem because after the impasse, the drivers that came driving that vehicle, they don't understand those vehicles. Because the drivers that were driving those vehicles, they are all been moved out. Those are military officers that were attached to the presidency at the time. After the impasse, all those drivers were sent away to the military barracks. Then the coalition came with their own drivers. And most of those drivers, they don't understand that vehicle. This is why those vehicles started to develop problems. Because we are using them for almost 3 years. Most of the Rolls Royce, as I'm speaking to you, they started to develop problems. Even the rat started to go in, try to cut some of the wire. As a technical man, I advised them. I said, these Rolls Royce, they are getting problems. Because sometimes, even if you want to go to airport to put a pressure, you give them 2, so that if the other one develop a problem, the other one can take it. That's the way that we are managing until the cabinet said it's better we read out of these Rolls Royce, and it was exchanged. But before they were exchanged, an evaluator was contracted to come and evaluate the Rolls Royce. Yeah.
But you were not necessarily in the picture when this procurement is done, this transaction.
No. I was just not in the picture. All what I was put in the picture was that a company was contracted and they are coming to verify those Rolls Royce. Yeah. When they came, we received them, we have a discussion with them. Myself, the former Secretary General, we have a discussion with them. We went to the Rolls Royce, we showed it to them, they checked in their computer, they said that they have Rolls Royce, they have some problems. But when they checked the evaluation report, then that's where my issues end. Because the evaluation report was in the PR file, of which I don't have access to. Okay. I don't have access to the evaluation report, but I know for sure that all those people have been evaluated.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Honorable Nfamara, on the floor.
Thank you very much, Chair. Mr. Saidy-Bah, maybe I will start like Honorable Swaibo. If we have yes or no, I wouldn't stay long.
Yeah, but you know, there are no's that has to go with explanation. There are yes that has to go with explanation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Saidy-Bah, the issue I would start with is how were vehicles normally retrieved from people? Did you have a guided process?
Okay, actually, it's a very good question. You know, a police officer within the mist is always a police officer. Good. There are times that people have been distributed in my presence, and it's been given to you. I know you as Kevara. Then after the impasse, while I was collecting vehicles, if I know one time ago you have been issued with a vehicle, I managed to have a number and call. I said, one time you have been given a vehicle, let's bring it. Vehicle belongs to the state.
For the records, it's just an example. I was never given a vehicle, right?
No, I'm just telling you an example.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry for that. Okay.
Okay, but whenever a vehicle is retrieved from an individual,
Yeah.
do they normally sign something?
Yeah, I give them, they handing over that you return the vehicle, I give you a copy, an original copy. I have my original copy. I file it.
Were you the only individual retrieving these vehicles, or there were other officers who were also
No,
doing it?
it's part of my office.
It's part of your office.
It's part of my office.
So, which means any other personnel who retrieves a vehicle would eventually report to you.
They'll bring it to the office. They'll bring it to my office. The person who is in custody of the vehicle that we want him to bring, the person will bring it to me, and I give him a transfer that you have received, you have returned the vehicle. I give you a copy, I file my copy.
So, which means it will be correct to say that all vehicles that have been retrieved, there is a transfer that is being signed by you and the individual also whom it was retrieved.
Yes. All of them.
All of them.
All of them.
So now, these vehicles that have been retrieved from various places and from various individuals, would it be correct to say that we should find all of them on the inventory that was taken on the 27th of January 2017?
No, on the 27th is the date that the inventory started. But the inventory lasts up till when I was submitting this report in June. It was.
Okay, which means
It's not confined within only 27th.
it's not only confined.
No. It's duration of time.
It's not confined within the 27th only.
No. The inventory started 27th until at the time that most of the people that we identify from individuals, we brought them back and keep them handing over.
Okay. I would like to draw your attention. That one will just be a minor clarification. Huh?
Okay.
This was a letter dated on the 4th of February 2017 from yourself to Bakari Baji, the chief of Funi Bondali.
Yes, the late, yes.
The late chief.
Yes.
Okay, the only issue is, if you follow the records, what we are having here is Funi Sibanor Ablai Suare. Are these two the same or they are different records?
No, let me check. I think the chief in Bondali is Mr. Baji.
Mr. Baji?
Yes, it's Mitsubishi L200.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
That's
L200.
the one recovered from him. And I wrote a letter and he signed. And he left the people there.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you help us through the records to trace that particular vehicle?
To?
Trace that vehicle. Because if you look at the records,
Yes.
you wouldn't see, that's the record of the 27th.
Okay.
You wouldn't see anywhere that Mr. Bakari Baji, chief of Bonjali, is mentioned, or the chassis number of the vehicle itself.
Where is it? Let me check. Just wait a minute. Okay, Mr. Bakar Baji, chief of Foyi Bondali. Okay, it's Bondali, 4th February. No, chassis number is there. Check.
Which number, which plate?
Receive of Mitsubishi L200 pickup with chassis number is JK KNKB 40FD052218.
That's very correct.
Is there?
That's the letter of the 4th of February.
Yes.
But if you look at the records in the inventory, that's where I want to be guided, where we have it in the count of the 368 vehicles.
Okay.
Yes.
Which number? Which number?
The chassis number.
No, which number are you talking about? Is it the one here?
The issue is, if I look at the records here,
No,
the chief I am seeing is the chief of Sibanor.
No,
But
which record do you have?
no, I have all the records that you are having.
Okay, anyway, the vehicle that was returned, that's the number.
Yes.
And the chassis is there.
The chassis is there. I have that.
Yes. Yes.
I have the chassis. So my issue is, I'm not able to reconcile it or trace it within the inventory. You know this letter is a proof that the chief have returned the vehicle.
No, let me just check here.
Yes, please.
Let me just quickly check here.
Please.
No, it's here. It's number 23. It's number 23. It's
Number 23.
Yeah.
Bakari Baje.
Yeah. Check number 23. The vehicle is in my office.
Yes, but the Bakari Baje I have in number 23 is chief of Jarol. And the Bakari Baje you assigned to is chief of Bondali.
Bondali and Jaro is the same.
They are different there.
No, it's the Jaro from Bondali go to Jaro.
Yes, but the two are different districts. So now the issue would be
No, sorry, this is the only chief that we...
that was.
Yeah, that's
So that was a mistake, right?
No,
Should it be the chief of Bondali or the chief of Jarol so that we know which record to take?
It's chief of Bondali.
It's chief of Bondali.
Yeah,
So the one having Jarol, we can take that off.
Yeah, maybe that was an oversight.
Okay, so which means we can scratch 23
23.
and change it from Jarol to Bondali.
Bondali, yes. It's
Okay.
only one Bakar Bhai. Sorry.
It's not that. And still, I will still maintain you on those letters. This one also is a letter dated the 4th of February 2017.
Okay.
This one is to Honorable Nati Balde.
Yeah, okay, not here. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, Nati Balde, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
first, I will allow you go through the letter and you tell us whether it is in receipt of 2 pickups or 1.
No, Nati, this one is Mitsubishi L200. And there's one other pickup, Green Wingul from Express. It was been handed over to Ibrahim Solo, Honorable Ibrahim Solo Jammeh, Sibanor. But when Jammeh traveled, then this vehicle was returned on behalf of Jammeh by Nati Balde, 2 vehicles.
So
Great Wall,
that letter was in confirmation or in receipt of 2 vehicles.
2 vehicles. This one is L200,
Yes.
and there's another one which is
A Great Wall Ringle pickup with a second number.
from Ibrahim Solo Jammeh,
Good.
Sibanor.
Good. The L200 pickup,
Come again?
the L200 pickup, if you go to number 22,
Number?
number 22 of the inventory list you are having.
Okay. Number 22, okay. Okay. Yes. Number 22, yes.
You have that,
Yes.
okay?
Yes.
But the Haval,
D,
as per your explanation, it was not with Nati. Who was it initially assigned to?
it was assigned to Ibrahim Solo.
Ibrahim?
Ibrahim Solo Jammeh.
Ibrahim Solo Jammeh,
Yeah, Sibanor.
but not Nati.
No, this one is Nati.
The L200 is Nati.
Yes.
Now the question is
Sorry.
with regards to the Wingle pickup.
Yes. The Wingle pickup was assigned to Ibrahim Solo Jammeh,
Yes.
Sibanor. But this particular pickup, it was been assigned to Nati. It was Nati who brought it back.
Yes, Nati brought it back,
Yes.
but it wasn't assigned to Nati. It was assigned to Ibrahim Solo
No,
Jammeh.
there are 2 different pickups.
Okay. You enlighten us.
You are talking about 23, 95 23K. BJL.
No, 9523K, I understand that.
Yes.
That is the L200.
Yes.
That one is assigned to Nati.
Not yet.
Now, the one I'm asking
Yes.
is the Great Wall Wingle pickup
Yes.
with chassis number
Yes.
LG and it ends with 68.
Yes.
Who was that one assigned to?
That's the one I'm telling you. That's the one assigned to Ibrahim Solo. But it was being brought by
Nati.
because then Ibrahim Solo traveled to US.
Okay, no, that's fine. Now we'll go to the last one. Do you have a letter dated 5th of February 17?
5th of January.
Yes.
Unless you remind me.
2017, it was handed over
To
that was prepared of a black Mitsubishi Pajero
On the?
Between Lieutenant General
On the?
Sol Baji.
On the 5th.
Yes, 5th of January 2017.
Yes, 5th of January. Okay, January. I have to go back. Sorry.
I can give you my copy. It's okay. I will need the copy.
Let me have that copy so that at least
Can you
it
give
is
him
very
this?
clear. Yeah, because the papers are printed.
Just give him this.
Okay. Yes,
Do you have it?
yes, I have seen it here.
That vehicle in question, can you help us identify, was that vehicle in question ever recovered?
Yes, it was recovered.
It was recovered.
Yes.
Can you guide us through the list where it was recovered?
Yeah, I think it was recovered at the residence because when the honorable member traveled with the president to Equatorial Guinea,
Yeah?
he called me and said, send people to my residence. I have 3 vehicles there. One, then you was, I think before Jammeh left, you
Yeah, I
appointed
mean,
a minister.
in the records, where is the vehicle? Here, in your inventory. Can you show us in the inventory?
Yes, I believe so. But I don't see it in here. Let me check. Sorry, quickly. I haven't seen it here. Yeah, I've seen it somewhere. Oh, I haven't seen it here.
There is a record indicating receipt of vehicle from the said honorable member, which is referenced at 83. Maybe I can guide you to a report of the 27th, you look at number 83.
83.
And then once you look at that, if that makes any sense to you, then my question will come.
No, 83.
Yes.
Because sometimes you're right. No. Yes,
Is
you are right.
no,
No, I was
but
checking one.
check the two. Is it the same one? Before my question comes.
This one I did not take it from him.
You did not take this vehicle from him?
No. It is only 2 vehicles.
Because this chassis number is not among the vehicle list here.
No. This one could be bilateral in between them. This one was not built.
But where did this record come from, the record you are having?
This one, it could be document that I provided.
The record came you?
Yeah, it could be. It was a bunch of document that I have. It could be found there.
Did it ever come to your attention that this chassis number was never among the vehicles that you retrieved?
No. This one, no, not to my knowledge.
Not to your knowledge. But are you sure that that vehicle that was issued as at the 5th of January 2017 by General Saidy-Bah is not the one that is being retrieved as reference in number 83?
No.
It's not the one?
The one that I received from Honorable Sidi, and this other one is different.
It's different.
It's different. Yeah.
So now, where is this one?
This one? No. I don't know where the vehicle is.
You don't know where the vehicle is?
No, I don't know.
Okay, can I have that copy?
Okay.
I will refer you to another letter dated on the 27th of January 2018.
Okay.
Do you have that? It's a letter addressed to Mr. Edward Singate.
Edward, yes. Let me check.
Yes. Maybe I can give you my copy just to save time.
Yes.
So I can, because I already know the question, I can ask you the question.
Just guide me, where are they in the receipt?
The letter was a request for him to hand over custody of 2 vehicles that were given to him with registration numbers BJL5185K and BJL5186K. Did Mr. Edward Singate eventually return those vehicles to your custody?
Yeah, he returned them, not physically, but the council of him provided the vehicles. The council of Edward provided the vehicles.
Provided the vehicles.
Yeah.
And do you have them as part of your inventory?
It should be here.
It should be.
Yeah.
Can you help us trace that one?
If you get it, just to be very quick, just let me.
To be honest,
I know.
I did my job, but not this one.
Okay, sorry. Let me check.
Not this one, I didn't do this one.
All right, let me check quickly.
Yes. Joe, can I have that letter?
Okay. Can you check if you see them, because the letters are very small.
Yeah, what I would do is I would then